Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to turn off, extend, or duplicate your laptop screen when using external monitor. So first, what we're going to do is to focus on your keyboard, find your Windows key and your letter P. So we are going to click on the keyboard, your Windows key, and the letter P, as in Peter. Windows P, and these options should pop up. And we can then select the option that you like. So for example, PC screen only, it will only show for your laptop screen. And if you want to duplicate it, it will show the same screen on your laptop and the external monitor. For the extend option, it will make your screen bigger and you will have more space and you can show other files on the other monitor and different files on the laptop. So basically just making your screen bigger and opening more files together and seeing them on the other monitor as well. For the second screen only, it will only show on the external monitor and not on your laptop. Well, that is how you can basically turn off or extend or duplicate your laptop screen when using external monitor. You just have to select the one that you need. Thanks for watching. If you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.